Okay, so we are in my car. Not my car. I'm in the car. My sister's getting her ears re-pierced because apparently the first time it sucked. But then I'm doing my math homework because I have a lot the second day of school. Thank you so much. And later today, I'm going to a football game and hopefully it doesn't rain. Okay, if it doesn't rain, then I'll be there and I'll vlog it. So I guess.
Ding, 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 ding. You won, you won.
Oh my gosh.
Please don't get hit by a car.
Hi.
Inappropriate. We're about to get killed.
Don't say that.
I'm so scared.
There at the camera.
Wait, where'd Sebastian go? Oh, he's down here. Very concerned. When is it gonna thunder?
Thunder. Feel the thunder.
I don't want more.
I want no more.
I want more. Oh my gosh. Why is Maleficent like so mad? I did nothing to do this. It must have been one of the teachers or one of my friends because no way she could have. Well,
Think we still have power?
probably not. And I don't want to go in there without power because I'm scared of the dark. They could have struck the house.
Whoa! Oh, la la!
We're waiting in the car. because we are not going out there right now. Oh my gosh. And the worst one.
Yeah, we are right there. Well, it's worse right there.
Oh my gosh, that actually is so bright. Oh my gosh, the sky is lit.
Emma.
Oh my gosh! Oh, go faster.
It's lightning very lightly.